Hello. In this video we're going to be going over the basic interfaces of Fusion 360 and creating your first file. When you first open up Fusion 360 you're going to see something similar to this. You might see some demo projects here on the left here. These are kind of like cloud folders where you can save your files to. And your main working window is going to be right in the center. Up at the top you have your ribbons, and you have here a drop down for your different workspaces here. So it defaults to design, and you're going to see a couple other options up here. And you're going to see your commands up here at the top on the ribbon here, and then you have also some different command groups that help with different subfeatures. So you have surface modeling, meshing, sheet metal, commands, plastics, and some extra utilities here. If you're used to other CAD packages, you might be familiar with the tree system. In Fusion 360, they actually separate it into two different trees. You have the main part tree on the left here, like you would normally see it, and you actually have a timeline along the bottom. So the timeline is what you would use to revert back and adjust previously made features, and then your part bodies and features are going to be up here on the tree. So Fusion 360 is mostly cloud-based when it comes to files. So you typically wouldn't save your working files to your desktop. Instead, when you create a file up here and you create new design, it's going to create a file here on the left in your cloud folder. So I'm going to hit new design here. And you see that it actually created a second tab up here. So untitled is the default first file, and then I created a new one and created untitled 2. And then when I hit save, it's going to ask me for my location and the file name. And then down here are my existing projects and some of the files that are in that folder. So if I just create a test file and hit save, you will see that it is now creating a tab right here on the left. So you can navigate with this compass up here at the top right corner. You can click and drag, and you can also click on the individual faces and corners to orient the part. And then you also have some commands down here to help with visualization. You can orbit, look at a plane, pan, zoom, fit, display settings, and grids, and stuff like that. So, alright, well, thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any ideas for new products that you would like designed or produced, go ahead and visit imbmechanical.design or email Ian Bohannon at ian.bohannon@imbmechanical.design. Here we do everything from market research all the way through to production planning, including detailed design and prototyping.